Hey guys, welcome to Fast Car Geek. This is Ron and Kim's 1964 Thunderbird. This thing is absolutely amazing. We did a great interview. Unfortunately, the microphones decided to stop working. These actual rims and tires are real spokes, guys. Incredible. It's solid. It's beautiful. It is a 390 cubic inch, 300 horsepower Z-Code sports convertible. The Coral with black vinyl interior. It was built in 1963, September 11th, I believe. It's a 63,000 mile survivor. Yeah, two previous owners. That hood insulation is actually even original. The interior, like I said, is absolutely fabulous. I mean, it's so solid. It's so secure. I mean, it looks so comfortable. It's power steering, power windows, power brakes, power seats, tinted glass, the tonneau covers installed by the dealer. These doors, you let them go and they just shut on their own. The steering wheel even gets out of your way to get in and get out of the car. There's so much to say about this thing. I mean, you know, the MSRP on this car was originally around $45,33. Now it's just absolutely priceless. You could take a look at this plaque that we have here at the end and get the specs on it. But Ron, Kim, thank you so very much for sharing this beautiful vehicle. Like and subscribe.